The severe cyclonic storm Migjom has officially made landfall near Bapatla in Andhra Pradesh, according to the latest announcement from the Indian Meteorological Department. The landfall process is anticipated to extend over the next 3 hours, bringing severe rainfall to the region. Before reaching Andhra Pradesh, heavy rains were reported in Tamil Nadu, Puducherry, impacting areas including Chennai and its surrounding districts. The IMD said that the severe cyclonic storm Migjom over west central Bay of Bengal along and off South Andhra Pradesh coast moved northwards with a speed of 10 km per hour during the past 6 hours and lay centered at 1130 hours list of 5th December 2023 over the same region. As Cyclone Migjom continues its impact, the Indian Meteorological Department forecasts extremely heavy rainfall for coastal Andhra Pradesh and Yanam on December 5. In response, Chief Minister Y.S. Jagan Mohan Reddy has instructed NDRF officials and relief teams to remain on high alert, ready to implement necessary relief measures. The state government has issued alerts for 8 districts: Tirupati, Nellore, Prakasam, Bapatla, Krishna, West Godavari, Konasima and Kakinada. As many as 29 NDRF teams deployed. Earlier, NDRF officials said the cyclone will move towards after the landfall. Mohsen Shahedi, NDRF DIG OPS, said landfall of cyclone Migjom is expected before 1:30 p.m. on Tuesday, December 5th, and then it will curve and move towards land. The worst is expected to be over soon. As many as 29 NDRF teams deployed, 2 NDRF teams deployed in Bapatla and 1 team in Majlipatnam are evacuating people and moving them to cyclone shelters. As the impact of cyclone Migjom unfolds, Chennai grapples with the aftermath of rain-related incidents that have claimed at least 8 lives. Heavy rainfall has transformed roads into rivers with vehicles swept away, prompting authorities to close educational institutions. Responding to the severe weather, Tamil Nadu government has declared a school holiday on Wednesday, December 6th in 4 districts: Chennai, Kanchipuram, Tivulur and Changalpet. The cyclone made landfall in Andhra Pradesh with a maximum sustained wind speed of 90 to 100 km per hour, gusting to 110 km per hour. Officials said the landfall process will continue for about 3 hours.